In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar, often called the QAT, is that small strip of icons at the very top of Excel. It's designed for the commands you use all the time, so you can get to them with a single click instead of digging through tabs. Personalizing it can save you a lot of time, especially if you repeat the same actions across different workbooks. Start by opening Excel and going to the File tab in the upper left corner. This takes you to the Backstage view where all the program-level settings live. You don't need a special workbook for this. Any file will do, and your changes will be ready the next time you open Excel as well. Next, look to the bottom of the left-hand menu and choose Options. That opens the Excel Options window. This is where you control how Excel behaves, from formulas to proofreading to ribbon customization. We're going to focus specifically on the Quick Access Toolbar section so you can choose exactly which commands appear up top. In the Excel Options window, select Quick Access Toolbar on the left panel. You'll see two main columns. On the left is a list of commands you can add, and on the right is the current lineup of commands already on your toolbar. There's also a drop-down above the left column that filters what you're seeing, such as Popular Commands or All Commands. If you're not finding what you want, switch that filter to All Commands to see the complete list. Now, start customizing. To add a command, highlight it in the left column and click Add. It will move to the right column, which means it's now part of your toolbar. To remove something you don't use often, select it in the right column and click Remove. You can also change the order in which commands appear by selecting one on the right and using the up or down arrows to position it exactly where you want it. If you prefer the toolbar below the ribbon for better visibility, use the placement option in this area to switch its location. When you're happy with your setup, click OK to apply the changes. You'll instantly see your new icons in the Quick Access Toolbar. Try them out to confirm they do what you expect. If a command is missing, return to Options, switch to All Commands, and add it from there. If the toolbar starts feeling crowded, remove anything you rarely use to keep it clean and fast. That's it. Your Quick Access Toolbar is now tailored to your workflow, helping you work smarter every time you open Excel.